Telebrahma and our client Johnson Baby to present My Baby Dairy app. If I could present this using a mobile and ask the jury to go through the application, probably it'll speak a lot, but it'll not be doing justice to the rest of the team members here. So I'll go through the presentation and probably show the jury also the application to go through. Really the way to judge the application. My Baby Dairy app is something that's been built largely for mothers and a bit of it for the children also. My Baby Dairy application would track the early pre-delivery schedules and then going into the vaccination patterns, how's the baby progressing, capturing various moments of the baby. And these slides can talk about all that. What the application essentially does is to capture every piece of information that a mother would like to capture about the baby, right from before delivery to until about 3 years. It also has sections in it for the early learning skills for the children. So there is a bit of it in it for the child also, from a mother's perspective, to talk about colors, talk about the early alphabets and numbers, etc. So it's an application that was built and distributed also across certain unique grocery outlets. We had a distribution mechanism using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to distribute it in retail supermarkets like Spencer's, More, and so on and so forth down south. And within about close to, I think, 7 or 8 weeks, we managed to deliver about 50,000 of these applications, reaching out to largely mothers. Right? It reached out to mothers. Whether they could identify and say, is it really the mother who downloaded it? I really can't say whether it was mothers who downloaded it, but there were people who downloaded it who were interested in downloading the application. It could be the father or the mother. So somebody who's downloaded this essentially would probably end up using it. And the feedback that we got in terms of application rating, etc., on Android Play Store were phenomenal. So I think I've taken about 3 minutes and probably take another minute with the jury, with your permission, to show the application. That's largely about the whole presentation.
So just while they're going, so I was actually fortunate to witness the app in the jury session. What really struck me was I'm a new father, so this was actually very relevant to me. Not new, my daughter's 3 years old, but it's still new to me. But it was very relevant to me, so it was something which is, especially in the Indian context, it's this app. The context is very available in the Western markets, and the Indian context is very important, especially when the two people who are working environment. So it was something which was very different. It was something which is very user friendly. The app itself is very nice. It's a very easy user interface. So it was definitely one of the top nominations.
If given a chance, would you like to take this idea to the rural market also?
See, one can take this idea to the rural market. The challenge in the rural market would be the availability of slightly smarter phones and utilization of this.
I'm not talking about the platform or the domain. I'm not talking about the bearer also. How would you like to take it to the rural market? The question is, how would you like to take it? I mean, the medium not necessarily be an app, I'm sure, because smartphone.
See, there are other ways to take it to the rural market. One can look at using, everybody has a mobile phone today, literally almost. And the best way to reach out to the women at a rural level would be to probably talk through videos, talk through text, and also use Bluetooth as a technology to transfer this information. Right? If you want to, one is reaching out to this end user without internet connectivity. Now, rich media content reaching a lady in a rural area is possible only today via Bluetooth. If there's a methodology in which we can do it, is via Bluetooth. There's no NFC, there's no GPRS. Let's admit the fact that the lady there is not going to use internet to download something over there. So one can reach, but how do you reach is also more relevant. We believe Bluetooth is the way to do it, right? And there are many rural initiatives which are being undertaken by slightly, larger FMCG companies and so on for promoting their brands. But
Yes,
there is an
because
opportunity.
the challenge that today probably all brands are facing is how to take such kind of products which is more mother oriented or a child care, how to take it to the rural market, because obviously they also are equally equipped to think about their child's growth.
Absolutely. They need to be empowered. I think there are many companies which are using these video on wheels mechanism, reaching out to rural markets. The same video on wheels can also have a smart device that can push content via Bluetooth to the end mother's or the end consumer's phone. So that's the way to reach out, and instead of just sending some text message across.
Sure. Thanks.
My name is Prakalpa. I just really like your marketing idea of being able to reach out to distribution centers like Spencer's. Could you tell us more about how this collaboration worked with them?
That's going into slightly different domain of our business. If it's okay with the jury, I will quickly answer this question. There is a hotspot available at certain locations, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi based hotspots available, which are permanently enabled locations, called a location-based service. So since we control that, we can also control distribution of reaching out applications at these locations. So for more information, we'll discuss offline. Thanks.
Thanks.